Dugag ko!
Yeah. This is Federico Insiana. I will dedicate this to my whole family. And the title of this video is Ang Bagong Kabanata of My Life. Yeah. This is my next journey of my life. I will broadcasting and documentary video like this. Huh?
Another day, another push up for today. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. No pen, no gain. Muscles, gar. Ay, di pa pala. Wala pa palang muscles. No pen, no gain. Abaw! Abaw, gar! Oh! Ow! Sheesh! No pain, no gain, gar! Minasi. Dapat no excuse, no surrender, gar. Oo. This is challenge to myself because myself needs a self-discipline to my life in the whole wide world of the universe. Let's go. 1, 2, 8, 9, 10. Dapat, gar, may mic ako. Oo.
Check the mic check. May mic na ako, gar. Kasi vloggers tayo, gar eh. Kailangan may mic. Yeah. Another mic check. I love you so much. Let's go, Wings. Let's go. Abs! Wala pa. Wala pa pala, gar. Gago. Wala pa. Gar. Wala pa akong muscles. Okay lang yan. Work hard, pays off. Yeah. No pain, no gain. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Myself. Basta Challenge ko sa sarili ko to be fit and right. Okay ah. Let's go, Gar. Dapat 20 to, Gar. Ito, dapat 20, Gar. Kaya mo yan, Gar. No excuse, no surrender. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yow! Wow! Ouch! 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 Mikey Reyes! Bam! Let's go, baby! Bagong kabanata ng buhay ko. Gra!
Shit! Dugag ko!